Hello guys, welcome back to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to find large attachments in Gmail to free your space. So the first step, click into your Gmail search bar at the top of the screen, right here. Then guys, input the absolute size filtering string variable exactly. I will give you the small code. Delete this. Okay, so use this code. Okay, input it, and then just hit enter. And this commands the database to isolate every single email holding an attachment larger than 10 megabytes. You can also change the number to 20 or 50 megabytes to hunt for even bigger video files or massive PDF checks. And if you want even a cleaner layout interface to clean out the files, you can just use the Google One. So just open up your browser, go to Google, type in Google One. There you go. Go here, open this up, of course, log in. Let me just press sign up for this one. All right. Open Google One. And then as you can see, we have the storage. Click on storage. And in here, as you can see, you can just choose clean up space and choose which files are taking up too much of your space. So for example, we choose Gmail, clean by service. And as you can see, because this is just my working dummy account, I don't have anything. But if you will, you can just select the files from here and delete them one by one or in stacks. And when you hit delete, those heavy asset weights drop off your account allocation matrix. That is it, guys. Enjoy more space. If this helps, like and subscribe.